Hello everyone. So today we will give you a presentation on data science course. Table of contents will include number 1, what is data science? Number 2, why study data science? Number 3, application of data science. Number 4, why Python in data science? Number 5, about Future Labs technology. Number 6, why Future Labs technology? Number 7, data analysis. Number 8, machine learning. Number 9, deep learning. Number 10, business intelligence and analytics. Number 11, industry projects. So now we will learn what is data science. So data science is the study of data. It involves developing methods of recording, storing, and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. The goal of data science is to gain insights and knowledge from any type of data, both structured and unstructured. So data science combines multiple fields, including statistics, scientific methods, and data analysis to extract value from data. Those who practice data science are called data scientists, and they combine a range of skills to analyze data collected from the web, smartphones, customers, sensors. So now the question comes, why should we study data science? So in the 21st century, the new driving force behind industries is data. As a matter of fact, even automobile industries are using data to impart autonomy and improve the safety of their vehicles. The idea is to create powerful machines that think in the form of data. Data science is also the electricity that powers the industries of today. Industries need data to improve their performance, make their business grow, and provide better products to their customers. So, as we all know, data science is revolutioning the world as we know it. There was a time when this domain was used at its nascent stage, only for research, but today it is used everywhere around us. It has the complete capability to solve lot of problems across multiple domains. So, it is also vital to know about its applications. So below are the some applications we are going to talk about. So we'll start with number 1, that will be fraud and risk detections. Number 2, in healthcare. Number 3, internet research. Number 4, targeted advertising. Number 5, website recommendations. Number 6, advanced image recognition. Number 7, speech recognition. Number 8, airline route planning. Number 9, gaming. And last but not the least, augmented reality. So now we talk about Python in data science. So it is one of the best language used by data scientists for various data science projects or application. Python provides great functionality to deal with mathematics, statistics, and scientific function. It provides great libraries to deal with data science application. One of the main reasons why Python is widely used in the scientific and research communities is because of its ease of use and simple syntax, which makes it easy to adapt for people who do not have an engineering background. It is also more suited for quick prototyping. So now we'll talk about Future Labs technology. Future Labs Technology was established in 2016. It is one of the leading SAP data science and digital marketing training and consulting institutes in Delhi NCR. This is the ultimate destination for students and working professionals who aspire to boost their careers, and even for corporates who wish to upskill their existing employees. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, it is indeed a challenge to secure your dream job, but with our best in industry placement network and 100% placement support, your dream job is just a step away. So now the question comes, why Future Labs technology? Why should we choose Future Labs technology? So here we go with the answer. Future Labs technology is an ISO certified and audited from UKAF, UKCERT and MSME. We have industry expert trainers. We give 24 into 7 practice service support, 100% placement support to the students. So if you are also looking to grow your career through upskilling, then be a part of Best SAP and Data Science Institute in Delhi NCR today. Data analysis is the process of cleaning, changing, and processing raw data and extracting actionable relevant information that helps business make informed decisions. It is a process of systematically applying statistical logical techniques to describe, illustrate, and evaluate data. We are going to take one simple example of data analysis. It is like whenever we take any decision in our day-to-day life is by thinking about what happened last time or what will happen by choosing that particular decision. So this is nothing but analyzing our past or future and making decision based on it. It's called data analysis. Deep learning. So deep learning is a machine learning technique that teaches computers to do what comes naturally to humans. So we'll give an example of this. Deep learning is a key technology behind driverless cars, enabling them to recognize a stop sign. In deep learning, a computer model learns to perform classification tasks directly from images, text, or sound. Deep learning models can achieve state-of-art accuracy, sometimes exceeding human-level performance. Business intelligence and analytics are data management solutions implemented in companies and enterprises to collect historical and present data while using statistics and software to analyze raw information and deliver insights for making better future decisions. The primary distinction between business intelligence and business analytics is the focus on when events occur. Business intelligence is focused on current and past events that are captured in the data. Business analytics is focused on what's most likely to happen in the future. So now we will talk about our industry projects. We provide mock interviews, live workshop with play students, dummy projects with industry-based scenario, resume preparation by expert, 100% placement assistance, national and International management support.